The Realme X7 Pro was announced all the way back in September 2020 but remained confined to its China homeland for several months, only making it to Thailand and Taiwan around the end of the year. It continues its global availability expansion and has recently arrived in India. I got to spend some time with an X7 Pro, not enough for a full review, but plenty for an extended hands-on. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here, and this is Tech New Leaks. So let's get started. The X7 Pro resides somewhere in the upper mid-range and has some serious hardware inside. MediaTek's top-tier Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset is in charge, offering high performance and 5G capability. The 6.55-inch Super AMOLED display has a 120Hz refresh rate, and the 65-watt charging is among the fastest available. The Realme 7 Pro comes with a 64-megapixel main camera and an ultra-wide at the back, plus a 32-megapixel selfie unit. My unit arrived in a somewhat unusual silver box, a departure from the yellow Realme packaging. In India, much like in China, you get the proper 65-watt adapter to max out the charging capability of the phone. Taiwan only got a 50-watt unit for some reason, and this may vary by country. There is a USB-A to C cable included that's needed for the high-speed charging. There is also included a USB-C to 3.5mm dongle for connecting wired headphones. The smoked silicone case meanwhile offers protection right out of the box. So let's start with the giant Dare to Leap motto on the back. Still, its prominent and polarizing design accent, and it's okay if you don't like it. It's also okay if you do. The back panel is made of glass and is treated to a frosted anti-glare surface. It does not pick up fingerprints all that easily. The X7 Pro is equipped with a 120Hz 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and it is the top spec panel in their lineup, even some 90Hz OLEDs, but this is their first 120Hz OLED one with minimal bezels all around. Particularly notable is the slim chin that elevates the X7 Pro's look to a more high-end stature. The Realme X7 Pro is equipped with an under-display fingerprint reader of the optical variety. On the opposite end of the handset is the tiny punch hole for the selfie camera. The main speaker is on the bottom and fires downwards. The card slot is on the bottom as well, and it takes 2 nano SIMs but no micro SD card. The Realme X7 Pro is powered by a 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt super dart charger. Overall, the Realme X7 Pro is comfortable to hold and use for prolonged periods of time. The buttons offer nice clicky feedback. The back is easy to keep clean. The fingerprint reader is quick and reliable. A minor niggle is that the handset wobbles when you put on a table. If you are someone to be hit by that. Powerful chipset, excellent display, super fast charging on top of potentially great battery life, stereo speakers. The Realme X7 Pro has a lot going for it. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Realme X7 Pro this month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.